Jordan from Wheeling, BC here. This is going to be another update video. So, I am currently on my way out to Hope from Chilliwack. I am meeting a gentleman I dropped my rims off at. I was S&R Customs there. I will show you guys. I'm going to get some information. We'll drop it in here. Picking up my rims. He got those done for me, so I'm getting those, picking them up, and from there the rims will be done, so I gotta polish them. Once they're polished, they're going on the car. You know I can't wait. I've been looking for these rims for a long time, and now that I have them, I can't wait to use them. I think they're gonna look so good on this tracker with the ZR2, and I'm gonna polish them so they're gonna pop, I think. I'm also picking something else up, so you have to stay tuned for that. And what I'm picking up is going to go with the rims. Which will happen first for the vehicle, I don't know. But on that note, we're going to get it done, and time to go spend some money. We're just on our drive. We're heading out to Hope. We're gonna meet up with Shane and pick up stuff and go from there. This is more or less just have fun, get out, drive, get out there and pick up some items, grab my rims. I am super excited to see how they turned out. Like I said, I gotta polish them up. They're gonna look good, I know it. So what I dropped it off for Shane to do was we gotta hone out the center hole, which is gonna allow the hub on the tracker and Suzuki's are bigger, so you gotta hone them out to be like a full-size truck. You need a 4-inch hub hole instead of the small little one it had on there. So I'll touch base with you guys in a little bit when we get closer. Only in Hope, BC, guys. When you see someone going through the drive-thru backwards to order a coffee at Tim Hortons. Alright, so got the rims picked up. I don't know, can't really see them in the back there. So we got the rims picked up, and I picked up a 2-inch suspension lift. So I will show you guys that in a little bit here, but we got them. It's all been acquired. Getting excited now, things are starting to line up. Next step is I gotta find shocks for the rear and install it. Lift kit will go in. So I'll be running a 2-in-2 for now, so a 2-inch body, 2-inch suspension, and I'm looking for, I think, 2020 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma TRD rear shocks for the rear, which will give me my 2-inch lift on the Chevy Tracker. So on that note, I will show you guys everything in a minute once I get back. So there it is, guys. We got our 2-inch spacer lift for the tracker. I'm back here. Those are our rims back there, a set of 5. 2-inch spacer lift. I'm looking for a set of Toyota shocks to go into that now, and I can install it. Alright guys, so I've made it home now, and I'll show you the rims here. So here are all the rims. So we had this honed out here, so it was only about that big before. So now it's big enough to fit the tracker hubs, which is the same as like a full-size 4-wheel drive truck back in the day. So big old hole there now. So now that that's done, we can get ready to put them on the car. The sunset back there, right guys? It's nice seeing what living up here.
Got the camera focused back on the tracker. Like, would you look at that? In the summer, this is what we have to look at every night. Have a fire, drink a beer, and watch the sunset. So, this is the lift kit. I've kind of cobbled it together a little bit. So this is what I got it going on. So we have coil spring spacers, the strut spacers here, panhard bracket, all the hardware needed, and I got a 3-inch diff drop bracket from 4x4 Art because I'm gonna need it. So this is his lift kit that I ordered, and it's full aluminum, steel strut mounts there, steel, these spacers. I mean, good quality, lightweight. Never had an issue with them in the past. So that is what's going in the car. So I'm gonna be running Toyota Tacoma rear shocks. Normally I run 2013 or 2016 to 2023, and these are the ones that you normally get. So just the Bilstein blue and yellow ones. My last tracker I ran 2021, I believe it was, and that was a TRD model, and I was the first one that I could find at the time in my area to run them. I never had an issue. I am gonna try a 2025 this time, TRD Sport Premium, I believe. So we will see how that goes. So as for now, this is another update. Definitely got some stuff going on with it. We are going to get the ball rolling here. So stay tuned, and let's get this thing on the road, get done, and get out there for you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.